When you increase your confidence, new doors of opportunities open. When you expand your communication, new pathways of success appear. What if you could do both? You can. You can create increased confidence through improving your communication. College debaters learn public speaking skills to develop profound confidence. Hundreds of successful people were college debaters: Oprah Winfrey, Nelson Mandela, Lee Iacocca, Kelsey Grammer, Margaret Thatcher, Bruce Springsteen, Arianna Huffington, James Earl Jones, Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia, President John F. Kennedy, and President Franklin D. Roosevelt, along with several other presidents and senators. A nationally ranked college debater, turned public speaker of 18 years, turned executive, turned business owner, turned best-selling author, turned communications coach, opens an online school combining individual coaching, professional film training courses, and a mastermind community to guide people to create increased confidence through communication. This is the Public Speaking School. This is your opportunity to break through to go to your next level. Through the Public Speaking School, you will learn more than just how to increase communication. In the first level, you will start by building a foundation by determining and finessing your unique identity as a communicator. In your next level, you will learn to create content and define your message to draw people in and to move people towards action. In the next level, you will discover new skills to develop increased confidence for conversations, meetings, and speeches. By the end, you will deliver a presentation that impacts people and that you are proud of. More than speaking, the Public Speaking School is about confidence that translates into life. Additionally, you will discover how creating confidence through communication transfers to making friends, influencing people, dealing with difficult people, preparing for any meeting, asking for raises, and more. Just like college debate helps so many people, you will find the benefits in your own relationships, in your own wealth building, and even in your health, as you will find surety instead of insecurity. The Public Speaking School. Create confidence through communication.